This one indicator can make trading easier and more effective for you. It gives you information about short-term and long-term trends and helps you decide when to buy and sell with good accuracy. You can use it on different time frames, but it's best on 1 hour or higher time frames. In this video, we'll guide you through using this indicator so you don't miss out on important details. If you find it helpful, don't forget to support our channel by liking and subscribing. Even if you're new to trading, this indicator is easy to understand and use. To start, log into TradingView, then add the LNL Trend System indicator from LNL Capital. We will change some settings. This indicator shows trend bars on the chart. Green bars mean a bullish trend, red bars mean a bearish trend, and black bars mean a neutral trend. We'll focus on the trend lines and clouds for our strategy. The larger cloud indicates long-term trends, while the smaller one shows short-term trends. If the larger cloud is green, it's a bullish trend, and if it's red, it's a bearish trend. To place a buy order, make sure the main cloud is green. Wait for the smaller cloud to turn red, indicating a correction. When it turns green again, look for a bullish candlestick to confirm. If conditions are met, place a buy order. Set your stop loss and take profit according to your risk management strategy. To place a sell order, make sure the main cloud is red. Wait for the smaller cloud to turn green, indicating a correction. When it turns red again, look for a bearish candlestick to confirm. If conditions are met, place a sell order. Set your stop loss and take profit accordingly. Remember to manage your money wisely and stay disciplined. It's a good idea to test this strategy before using it with real money. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.